Right, we've got some Cosy VTEC cams in the car and it's causing some idling problems at the minute from a custom tune. Jamsport, I've said 100% it will sort itself out. I do trust them and I know it will, but you lot have said try plugging it in for now. Now I'm not going to turn the car on, don't want to piss the neighbours off, but I'm going to turn the ignition on and see if it brings up any fault codes. Failing this, I will try and do some live diagnostics tomorrow. That's going to be bang on. So we'll plug it in down here, OBD ports just down here somewhere, so I'll just find that and we'll see what this is saying, and like I say, I'll get the ignition started as well. Right, so I've got the OBD all plugged in on the system and it's showing as mass airflow sensor, so MAF, so everyone could be right there. I am going to cold start it again in the morning and give it a good run out and we'll see what it's looking like and we'll do some live data. Other than that, I'm going to get the mass airflow sensor, I'm going to get that replaced ASAP. I'm going to take out the pre-existing one and I'm going to clean it and see if that comes up with anything as well. But now I've got that as an indication, at least we know what we're looking at, and let's see if we can get this sorted out.